Welcome to Demolition Detour at Unchartered Adventures. Your team has been hired to complete demolition of a building downtown. The previous crew reported strange occurrences and has since disappeared. The objective is simple. Find the tools you need to complete the job. Use the tools and machinery provided to locate the explosives and set off the detonation. You will have 60 minutes to access the office, the job site, and demolish the building. Your challenge begins now.